Hi there, so today I want to show you how to fix the MailTo link and more in GroovePage. I have done also another video, something like that with the phone number, so I will make a link in the description below. But if you're searching specifically for the MailTo link, I have the code that is perfect for you right now. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up if you find it useful. And if you want to be notified when I do other GroovePages or Groove Digital product twist and or review of product and that kind of stuff, it's all about your online business, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So let's get into it. So what are we trying to do? We want to be able to use the MailTo feature of the HTML link to help our viewer to send us email. What features are available? So the simplest one is actually the simple MailTo, where you will have the MailTo ... actually email address. But we have also other parameters. So if you're interested in the other option that the MailTo can give it to you, I will have a link in the description below to a blog post with the code to use and actually the description a bit more about what are the parameters that you can use with the MailTo. So what we need, actually we need a free GrooveFunnel account. If you don't currently have a free GrooveFunnel account, you can get one with the free link below. And if you have a free account and you want to have more website and you will be able to share funnel with other people or receive funnel, you can upgrade for the lifetime package with the Platinum lifetime link in the description below. So how we will do it? Actually, we will look at what we can do and not do as of March 2021. Groove Digital is actually aware of that bug and they will be working on a fix soon. But in the meantime, you will be able to get around with this code that I will show you today. And then we will make it work actually. So let's get into it. So you will see here, this is my demo page. You see when I'm actually in the editor, if you go into the bottom of the screen, I will put an arrow to show you where. You will see that it's domain.com with sales, domain, etc. So we have a lot of parameters. Same thing here for a text link. So this is a button and this is a text link. And both of them are working the same way actually. When we go into the text here is working fine. So as you can see here, MailTo ... Jeff. This is working fine. So currently, if you are adding links MailTo to your in a text box, actually in a paragraph section, you will have no problem to make it work. But if you're working with the text link or with the button, it will not work. So at the end, what it will look like actually, it's that here. So I click on here, I will have my email popping up. And if I click here, you will see that the link in the bottom of the screen is working fine. So if I click on it, I will receive, I will see the mail opening, and you will see that the email is defined, the subject of the email is defined, and also the body. So these are the parameters that we can have. So this is the parameter that you can have, and you will see them actually in the blog post. So I have make a blog post about this, and the additional parameter that we have is CC, BCC, subject, and body. So these are all things that you can add to the MailTo link that you will put into your website. So let's see how we can manage to make it work. So the first thing to do actually is when you come into the edit button, you will go to configure and you will put the MailTo string here. So this is the minimum requirement that you have. You can add other parameters like this, as you can see in the blog post. One important thing that I found that sometimes it's work, sometimes it's not work, it's that when you update the URL link of your button or text link, sometime in the design page of GroovePage, the custom attribute that you have defined here will disappear. So if you do something, test it, and it doesn't work, come back and check that you have MailTo written here. So one of the requirement is that the element class attribute is written MailTo. as we made for the phone number, we add telephone actually. For the MailTo, it's MailTo. So this is the hook where my code is able to find where you want to find and replace actually the MailTo to make it work. So this is the things to change. So basically on a text link is the same thing. You need the custom attribute MailTo, and in the configure you need a MailTo with the parameter that you want. This is the first part actually of making it work. The next part will be that in your page settings or in the site settings, so we'll start with the page setting, you will need to have here this line of text. Whoops, sorry. So this line of text actually is pointing to a single file on my server. So I host for you this file. So this is to make it more easy for you to work. And if I have a fix or something, that I will be able to update it for you actually. So this is a good way of sharing actually the links. After that, this is the only thing that we need, because at loading, actually I will find the MailTo tag and I will replace them for you. So if, for example, I remove this, I do save, and I come here in the preview. The link doesn't work, but you will see that at the bottom, the link is domain.com with some parameters, but it's not a MailTo link. Same thing for here. When you compare in the text that in the MailTo is there. You also see in this page actually my typewriter heading. So this is another video that I will do, which is actually enables you to have an header, which they will rotate text in it actually as a typewriter style. So to make it work, actually what we need to go into the page setting, edit setting, and add into the code include the link from the website actually. So this will be available in the blog post. You do save here, and when we preview in the preview mode, you will see that actually the MailTo here they start with MailTo and not the domain name. So this shows us that it's work actually, and this will not work since we are in preview. If I go back and publish, and I come to the site and force a refresh. So I look here, the MailTo are there, and if I click on a link, I get an email with the subject line Groove from website, and the body also the text, email to sales and CC to VP sales. So it's quite what we're looking for. So that's basically it. So you are able to fix the button and the text link with the text link, and everything will be in the blog post shown in the description below. Hope it helped. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about when I post video about GroovePages or tools to help grow your online business, just subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.